Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using RStudio. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert histogram and how to impose a normal curve on it. You can find more videos on my YouTube channel regarding data analysis using RStudio, data analysis using SPSS, Jamovi, Excel, econometrics, and other topics of economics. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's generate the normally distributed numbers first. So suppose my variable is X, I'm generating normally distributed random numbers. So let's generate 1000 numbers. Suppose mean is equal to 50 and standard deviation is equal to 10. So we are generating 1000 normally distributed numbers having mean is equal to 50 and standard deviation is equal to 10. So now these numbers are generated. You can see here in our console, X norm is generated. Now let's insert a histogram with frequency. So the command is hist and simply write X. Now, if you see the histogram for this variable called X using frequency. So frequencies or histogram with frequency shows actual numbers, actual count. Now we convert this histogram into density. So density shows relative proportions, and the if it is normally distributed curve, the area under the curve is exactly equal to 1. So now let's convert this frequency histogram into density histogram. So again, the command is hist, right? X probability is equal to true. Then let's say the color of the histogram is light blue. Color is equal to light blue. And the heading is histogram with density. That is our heading. Now you run this. And you can see here histogram with density. Okay, so that means we have converted our data from the histogram from frequency to density. Now we are going to compute the mean and standard deviation. Since we have generated the normally distributed number, we know the mean and standard deviation, but when you work on actual data set, you need to compute it. So let's say mu is equal to mean of X and standard deviation, that is sigma, is equal to standard deviation of X. We can see the result of both, write mu and sigma and then run. So we can see here mu is 50 and sigma is 10. That is standard deviation. Now we add a normal curve on it. Let's add a normal curve. So for that, we use the script called curve, then write d norm. Now in d norm, our variable is X. Then you write mean is equal to mu. Standard deviation is equal to sigma, comma, then add is equal to true, and write color is equal to, let's say we want a red colored normally distributed curve. And then you run it. Let's see, we have some error. Curve denorm mean is equal to mu, SD is equal to sigma. Okay, sorry. So here we close the bracket and then run it. Now you see, if you click on zoom, Then you can see this normally distributed curve in another window. So here we have this red colored normally distributed curve on our histogram. The alternative method is also available. So for that, you need to install this package called Recompanion. And in this Recompanion, we have the option of inserting the histogram with normally distributed curve. So you see the command is plot normal histogram and the variable is called x. So this is with frequency. See here, it is with frequency. And if you want for density, write plot normal density and simply write x. You can see the histogram with density. So this is how we can add a histogram with density, with actual count, and with curve. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.